Did you know your car is probably hiding features you've never even heard of? That's right. Beneath the dashboard, behind trim panels, and inside your vehicle's software are hidden functions that most drivers never discover. But ask any experienced mechanic, and they'll tell you exactly where to look. In this video, we're pulling back the curtain on 10 hidden car features only mechanics know. Some of these can keep your engine running cooler, help you park like a pro, or even get your car out of park when it's completely dead. Let's dive in. Number 10. Hidden transmission dipstick. In many modern cars, especially those with sealed transmissions, there's no visible transmission dipstick in the engine bay. Manufacturers label them as maintenance-free, but mechanics know that's not the full truth. Over time, transmission fluid breaks down due to heat and friction. The problem? Without a dipstick, most drivers have no way to check the fluid themselves, but hidden beneath the car are special fill and check ports that only trained mechanics can access. Without knowledge of these hidden points, owners often drive with degraded fluid and risk expensive transmission damage. However, mechanics regularly tap into these hidden ports to inspect fluid condition and top it off that can quietly add years to your transmission's life while saving you thousands in repairs. Number 9. Emergency fuel door release. Most modern vehicles come equipped with a power-operated or cable-activated fuel door, which allows you to open the gas cap using a button inside the cabin or a release lever near the driver's seat. However, when the cable gets jammed, the fuel door may refuse to open. What many car owners don't realize is that manufacturers usually include an emergency fuel door release mechanism as a backup. Mechanics know where to find this cable and how to pull it to manually pop the door open without damaging anything. It's a crucial feature that prevents you from prying open the door or breaking the latch assembly, which can be costly to fix. Number 8. Window Relearn trick. Ever had a power window that stops short of closing or won't auto down like it used to? It's frustrating, and most drivers think the motor's burned out, but in many cases, the window is not broken. It's just forgotten how to behave. That's right. After something as routine as a battery change, fuse swap, or even a window replacement, your car's control module can lose track of the window's open and closed limits. But here is a good news. With a simple relearn trick, you can fix it yourself. Just press and hold the window switch all the way up for a few seconds after it closes, and then do the same going down. It's a quick fix that takes less than a minute. But if ignored, you could be stuck with a glitchy window for months. Number 7. Reverse tilt side mirrors. Reverse tilt side mirrors are a hidden gem in many modern vehicles, especially luxury and mid-range models. When you shift your car into reverse, these mirrors automatically tilt downward to give you a better view of the curb or parking lines near your rear wheels. But here's the catch. You can enable or disable it through the vehicle's settings menu or infotainment system. Mechanics always enable this feature when prepping cars for delivery or maintenance. Don't just rely on your rear camera. Check your mirror settings and take advantage of this precision parking aid. Number 6. HVAC recirculation flap reset. If your air conditioning smells musty or isn't blowing strong, it might not be the filter. It could be the recirculation flap. This flap controls whether outside air comes in or inside air recirculates. Sometimes, after a battery disconnect or power surge, the flap motor can get stuck. Luckily, there's a mechanic trick to fix this without tearing your dashboard apart. Try holding down the AC and recirculation buttons at the same time for several seconds. If your car supports it, this will trigger the hvac system's self-calibration mode. You might hear the vents clicking or shifting. That's the system resetting the blend doors and flaps to factory positions. In less than a minute, your airflow can go from weak and musty to strong and fresh. It's one of those tiny fixes that makes a massive difference in your daily comfort. Number 5. Soft close trunk mechanism. You might be slamming your trunk shut every day without realizing your car has a soft close latch. This feature is common on luxury cars and even some mid-range models, and it's designed to gently pull the trunk closed after you lower it. If you slam it too hard, you can damage the soft close motor or misalign the latch. Mechanics notice this feature right away and always handle these trunks with care. The system is there to improve sealing, reduce noise, and make the trunk easier to operate. Next time, just let it click shut. You might find your car doing the rest. Number 4. Deadkey fob start slot. Many modern cars come with push-button start systems that rely entirely on a key fob signal to allow engine ignition. But what happens when the key fob battery dies and the car no longer detects it? That's where the deadkey fob start slot comes into play. This special slot is usually located in the center console, under a rubber mat, inside the glove box, or near the steering column. Even with a dead battery, inserting your key fob into this slot allows the car to recognize the embedded RFID chip and start the engine. Mechanics often use this method to diagnose key fob issues or help stranded drivers start their cars without needing a new battery right away. Number 3. Adaptive throttle. Relearn procedure. Modern cars use electronic throttle bodies that learn driver habits over time for smoother response. After disconnecting the battery or cleaning the throttle body, this learned data is lost, which may cause rough idling or delayed acceleration. Mechanics know the adaptive throttle relearn procedure, involving ignition cycles, timed pedal presses, or scan tool resets to recalibrate the throttle's response curve. This procedure restores smooth pedal response and proper idle, but it's a hidden step that only trained mechanics consistently perform after working on throttle systems. Number 2. Emergency gear release slot. Cars with electronic or push-button shifters have no mechanical linkage to shift gears manually if the battery dies. However, mechanics know about the emergency gear release slot hidden near the shifter, usually hidden under a small plastic cover. It's like a secret escape hatch for your transmission. All you need is a key or flathead screwdriver. Pop the cover, insert the tool, press down, and boom! You can shift into neutral. No battery required. It's how seasoned mechanics move dead cars in minutes, while others are calling tow trucks and waiting hours. This little-known feature can be the difference between getting stranded and getting going. Number 1. Cabin air filter access behind glove box. Your car has a cabin air filter that cleans the air inside your vehicle, but many owners don't know where it's located. Mechanics know it's usually hidden behind or above the glove box, requiring removal or dropping the glove box for access. Over time, this filter collects dust, leaves, and pollen, restricting airflow through the hvac system. Mechanics routinely inspect and replace these filters, which help to improve air quality and system efficiency without owners realizing how critical this maintenance is. Most drivers skip this simple but essential check. That's all for this video. These features aren't just random facts. They're practical tricks that can make your car last longer, drive safer, and save you money. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know down in the comments. See you in the next video.